So this instantaneous description, it's used to check whether the string is accepted by design PDA or not. So it is used to check string acceptance. And this instantaneous description can be defined as a triple with three symbols Q, W and gamma or tau. So here Q is nothing but the current state. This is the input string to be processed, and the last symbol is used for content of the stack. It represents content of stack. So this instantaneous description, this is represented with this symbol. Okay, this symbol is nothing but we call it as foreign T. Because if you observe this, so this T is represented in this way. So this we call it as a fallen T. And if you have only single representation like this, then it indicates single move. Okay, only single transition function. Whereas if you keep star like this, then it represents sequence of moves or multiple moves. Fine. So this is the interaction part about this instantaneous description. Now let us see how to solve this for the given language using this transition functions. So this fallen T is also known as turnstile notation. Turnstile notation. Okay, so fallen T is also called as turnstile notation. Now let us solve the problem. So let us check whether the string is accepted by the PD or not. So let us take one string from this language. Let it be AABB and take Q0 input symbol. So here I told you this is represented as a triple. So first is the current state, that is Q0. Next input to be processed, I consider this string from this language, and then content of the stack. Initially top of the stack is Z0. So Z0. So write fallen T. Now see this. Q0 input symbol A, Z0. So what is the operation here? Q0 A Z0 means Q0 A Z0. So you can write it as Q0 A Z0. And what is the leftover string? ABB. You can write that as it is. Now step 2. Q0 A. So Q0 A means Q0 A. So write it as Q0. Leftover string is BB after pushing this onto stack. A Z0. Okay, we are just pushing this towards or onto top of the stack. Now Q0 input B, top of the stack is A. So in this case, for every input symbol B, we need to pop one element A. So pop this A, so that you will get. So when input is B, change the state. When input is B, change state. And leftover string is only B. So for this first B, we pop this first A. So leftover symbols on stack are A, Z0. Next, Q1 input B, top of the stack is A. Q1 input B, top of the stack A. So again remain in the same state and perform pop operation. So write same state, pop this A for this B. So now, so we already processed all strings in all symbols in this string. So now we reached epsilon and stack contains only Z0 because we already popped two A's from the stack. This is the last case, Q1 epsilon Z0. That means you need to change the state and pop stack element also. So Q1 epsilon Z0 means change state to Q2 and pop this Z0 as well, so that your stack will be empty. And now this is your final state, so which indicates that string is accepted by the PD.